Hello friends, welcome back to our another Fucktone learning series video. In my previous video, I already covered about how to create a credit note, and today I'm going to explain you about how to create a recurring invoice. Okay, so recurring invoice is that invoice which send automatically to customer in a specific time interval. Okay, basically it was help you to generate automatic invoice. Okay, like a reminder. So yeah, so let's move forward. Okay, so here you can see the dashboard of this recurring invoice, right? So here you can see a few options is there, like a filter. By filter you can put your specific date, and you can get your recurring invoice detail. Okay, and by organization also you can find your recurring invoice. So this is few steps you have to follow for finding your previous recurring invoice. So come here and see this is a button. Here you have to click for creating a new recurring invoice. Right here you can see is a new option for you, like a new recurring sales credit note. Via using credit note also you can create this recurring invoice. Okay, so I will cover this into next video. First let me show you with this new recurring invoice. Okay, so here you have to add a few details like company name, invoice date, due date, and here you can see this option. If you click on this option, then you have uh, get two more duration, like if you want to send your recurring mail weekly wise, then you can choose this weekly wise, or if you want to send your mail monthly wise, then you choose the monthly wise. Okay, duration. And after selecting duration, here is a option of week day. Okay, so and after that you have a operation type, so you have to fill it one by one. And here is a item, and you can add a new row, or you can add a product wise in bulk. You add a description, you can add retention. So this is same as sales no sales invoice, and estimate, and the pattern will be same, but here you have few more options to add. Okay, so let's come here. We can create one recurring sales invoice for suppose this company I'm choosing, and then I want to add here invoice date, then due date you can as same date, or maybe you can uh, add another date. Okay, according to your benefit, like according to your need. I am sending this by monthly wise, then you have to enter here 1 to 28, you have to enter your number. Okay, so but I'm clicking here weekly wise. Okay, suppose I want to send this mail every Tuesday. Then you have to choose some options of operation type. Currently it was showing in Spanish, so maybe you can convert it. Okay, so it will better for you to understand. Then come here for items, and if you want to add your items manually, then you have to write here manually. If you want to add your product in a bulk, okay, which you created before, so simply you can select any product and increase the quantity by here. Now you can modify the payment. Suppose you can changing every detail. Okay, so you can see here is automatic. You can see amount is filled. Okay, so you don't need to change your amount. By default it will take. Okay, if you want to add a more item or description, okay, so what you have to do, suppose if you have a new data and you want to add row here, then you simply type here, otherwise you can leave. And if you want to add any discount, then you can add by here. This retention, if you want to add any retention, then you can add, otherwise you can leave this filled. And here is a payment description, which kind of which bank account you want for this recruitment sales invoice. Okay, so here is you can see here is the detail of this bank, and now you have to choose the accounting detail. Okay, now you have to add here terms and condition. So simply these are the simple steps you have to follow and fill the page. Okay, let me add, please. Suppose I'm writing this, okay, for your reference. Now you can see our this new recurring sales invoice is ready. So what you have to do now, you have to simply click here save button. Now you can see here your new recurring invoice. Okay, so here is the three dot. Okay, if you want to edit your content, then you can choose this option. If you want to delete this recurring invoice, then simply you can delete. So if you want to do filter, you want to apply any filter for searching any recurring invoice, so simply you can find your data via date wise or via any organization wise, and simply you have to do apply. And if you want to again reset your data, then you can simply reset your search. Okay, so here today I covered about this how to create a new recurring sales invoice. So in my next video, I will show you how to create a new recurring sales credit note. Okay, so I hope this video finds you well, and yeah, you got a new thing. If you have any queries, then I will recommend you please do comment. And if this video clear with you, then please do like, subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you guys in next video.